The Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission has commenced the process of appealing the judgment of the 5-judge bench, which determined that the poll body lacked the required quorum to take the constitutional review process forward. IEBC will be seeking the court's interpretation of the decision of the 5-judge bench and how it's going to affect their role in conducting the referendum. IEBC Chair Wafula Chebukati had earlier in the week maintained that they were properly constituted since the law required at least 3 commissioners to form a quorum. Chemtai go in with more details.
Concerned that the judgment by the 5-judge bench questioning its constitutionality will result in an avalanche of litigations on decisions it has made in the past after the resignation of 4 commissioners, IEBC filed a notice of appeal at the Apex Court challenging the decision rendered Thursday last week.
IEBC does not have quorum stipulated by Section 8 of the IEBC Act as read with paragraph 5 of the second schedule to the Act for purposes of carrying out its business relating to the conduct of the proposed referendum, including the verification of signatures in support of the Constitution Amendment Bill and Article 257(4) of the Constitution submitted by the Building Bridges Secretariat.
In the appeal, IEBC will be questioning the court's finding that it lacks the requisite quorum to carry out its constitutional duty in relation to the intended referendum, the finding that it ought to have carried out a separate nationwide voter registration exercise ahead of the referendum, what its role in the verification of the 1 million signatures is, and the ruling that the verification process it did was flawed since it required a special legal framework. IEBC Chairman Wafula Chebukati had last week held on to the fact that the commission with the 3 commissioners was properly constituted. The second schedule of the IEBC Act, Clause 5, indicates that the quorum of the commission be at least 5 members. However, Parliament amended the Act, providing that the quorum be not less than 3 members. But the High Court in 2018 found the amendment unconstitutional, therefore null and void. However, with the law silent on what happens when an amendment is nullified, the big question remains, does one revert to the law before the amendment, or what happens?
Sometimes in 2019, the High Court, presided over by Justice Okwanyi, made a determination that Article 250 of the Constitution is what applies to the Commission.
The polls body currently has 2 commissioners, Boya Molu and Abdi Gulie, and Chairman Wafula Chebukati, after 3 others jointly resigned in 2018 after the exit of Roslyn Akombe in 2017. The 5-judge bench had in its decision permanently injuncted IEBC from conducting the referendum until it was properly constituted. Chemtai go in Citizen TV.